Hi there and welcome to module number 1. So in this video I want to be completely honest with you. I want to talk to you about the truth of Forex trading. Everybody's got this whole idea that you will become very rich overnight, and you might see all these ads on the internet, guys going from rags to riches. Yes, there are stories like that, or there is stories like that, but the problem is they don't tell you about the hardships. They don't tell you about how much money they've lost and how many years they've actually put into testing the systems and everything that they've done in order to get to where they are now. So they'll show you a little capture page or video or something going from rags to riches within literally overnight, but they don't tell you what they did to get there. And I want to be completely honest with you and tell you that yes, Forex trading is a very profitable business, and it does take a lot of hard work and a lot of training and a lot of hours that you have to put in. But then again, it can most definitely provide you with the life that you want to, depending on how much it is, or depending on why did you actually get involved in this course and in Forex trading. It all depends on why did you get started. What is it that you would like to achieve out of this course? So firstly, it's not overnight riches. You will have to put in the effort, you will have to put in the time in order to make this work. You will have to study. That is the reason of this course. Seeing that this is the very first video in module number 1, you will have to go through all of this training and make sure that you actually understand it. So you'll see, I'll mention this a few times, but it's all about educating yourself, understanding what it is that you've learned, and then taking the education, the understanding, and then applying it. So that's what it's all about. One thing is, yes, you do need capital in order to start with Forex trading, and the bigger the capital, the better for you. It just means, let's say you start with $100,000 or $50,000, or let's say you start with $10,000. Now, or 5,000. Let's go a little bit lower. Let's go $5,000. Start with $5,000. The results that you will be looking at will be anything above 50%. So 50% return on investment and higher. So if you invested $1,000, at the end of the year, you're looking at least a $500 profit. So you will end up having $1,500. And then from there, you work your way up. That's when you will see later in the courses, I'll be teaching you all about fixed ratio money management, but that's when you will be growing your course. So the following years, your account will grow a lot quicker. But your chief aim is to end anything above 50%. Now, you might say, yeah, but that's low. I don't want to make $500 over a year's time. Well, I haven't seen systems that can actually provide, depending on how much you are willing to risk. The more risk you're willing to take, yes, the quicker you can grow your account. Then you can 200, 300, 400%. You can grow your account for 400%, but it all depends on the risk you're willing to take. The more risk you take, the quicker you can blow your account. And that's not the purpose of Forex trading. The purpose of Forex trading is to never ever blow your account. In order to become a successful Forex trader is to never blow your account, to grow minimal increments, small little increment in order to get you to where it is that you want to be. So it for me, honestly, and what I want to tell you is that treat Forex trading more as an investment type of strategy. So it's one source of income. So let's say you've got pension money, or let's say you still have a job, then don't quit your job. Keep your job. Use whatever money you are willing to save every single month. Now, module 14, the very last module, I'll share a video with you that will basically open up your eyes and teach you something that hopefully you've never seen before, or nobody's ever taught that to you before. It's all about account management and growing your account, but you will see when you get to module 14. So taking some of your capitals and then rather invest it in Forex trading. See it as an investment account. Treat this as a long-term solution between at least 5 to 10 years. Focus on your goal and set the goal for yourself at least 5 to 10 years and say, I'm going to start Forex trading now, and this is where I'm going to want to be 5 years to 10 years from now. That is the best way, and that's why I'm saying you have to treat this as as an annual thing. Yes, if you start very big and you start with $100,000, by the end of the year you end up with, let's say, I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to end up with 50% or above. I'm just saying, for example purposes, let's say you end up with 50%, then you've got $150,000. Take that $50,000. Let's get the calculator quickly. You take that $50,000 divided by 12, that will give you $4,166 per month if you had to work it on a monthly basis. That's excluding if you still have a job, doing what it is you're doing. You know, you don't have to be 100% involved in the Forex markets. Depending on the way you trade, I trade, like I said, the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, or you will see that as you go along in the course, so that I don't have to be as involved in the markets, but I can do what I want while still making money in the market. And that is the type of lifestyle that I want to provide you with. But it all depends on you. If you want to go on lower time, you want to trade lower time frames, and you would like to be more involved in the markets, by all means, you are more than welcome, depending on how much time you've got available and on your hands. So that's it. The reality of Forex trading is it's not overnight success. Like I said, it's going to take some hard work and dedication in order to make this work, but it is possible. Great returns is possible. Massive return on investment is possible. Making huge amounts of profit is possible, but you will have to get the education first, understand what it is that you're learning, and then applying it. You're going to have to go. You will go through a learning curve, and I'm to be honest with you, depending on what type of learning you are, very quick, slow, very slow, it doesn't matter. But I suggest at least it's going to take at least a year to 2 years to actually really get the hang of the markets. Every year, every day, every month, every week, doesn't matter. You will learn something new, and you will make mistakes, and you will have to learn from those mistakes. Learn, make mistakes, and then learn. Don't do the same thing over and over again, making the same mistake, because that's like a donkey bumping his head over and over and over. Okay, so once again, this will be, like I said, this is the truth and the reality of Forex trading. I just have to explain this to you so that you don't so that your expectations is not too high and expect too much, but at least so that you know what it is that you can expect out of this course and out of Forex trading. If you want to find a system that's more profitable, by all means, I highly suggest you do. And the more profit you can make, the better. It's always like that. But honestly, like I said, I've been involved in the Forex markets for about 4 to 5 years now. And I've been tweaking the system every day as I go along, every month, every week, seeing how I can do it better. And is there a better way? And that's what it's all about. You know, I want to teach you to become a successful Forex trader, digging your own wealth. You won't have to depend on anybody except yourself. Yes, you will have to educate yourself, getting mentors, people like myself mentoring you, showing you how to do it, but then you go and you do it and you apply it yourself, so that you one day can teach other people how to do it, if that's the way you want to go. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you throughout the course and in your very next video. Cheers.